Hi, it's Caroline here. I'm potting on my cosmos seedlings today. It's the 13th of April, which may feel a bit late to you, but we get some late frosts here in the Scottish Highlands. They're looking great. I'm going to pop them on into woolpots. And when I told my sisters I was using woolpots, we're all very keen on them. They said, oh, take a video and share it. So that's just what I'm doing. So these are great little things. They're made from British wool. So we're helping the British farming industry as well. These wool pots will last for about 6 weeks. So I'm potting them on today, and that suits me perfectly because the end of May will be a great time for me to plant these out. I won't do it sooner because the plants will be quite small and the slugs love little cosmoses. But these actually have this little wool ruffle around the top of them. Slugs don't like wool, so that's an added advantage to these. Another advantage is, of course, you don't have to store them. I do reuse my plastic pots, but my shed for the rest of the year is absolutely full of them. With these, there is no storage space required. There is no plastic required either. After 6 weeks, I will put the whole thing into the soil. The wool will disintegrate. There will be no wastage. The plants get away really well because they've had no root disturbance, and we are plastic free. So all round a fantastic product, and this is how I do it. So what I find it's best to do with these wool pots is to fill them really full of compost before you start to select your seedling. Fill them really full and press them down so you fill that whole space. It's much better than trying to put the seedling in and then filling around it, I find, with wool pots. So get them nice and full, and then when you get to here, just roll the top back, and it wants to roll back, which is helpful. Make your little hole there in it. And here's my compost seedlings. I just parted them, picking them up by that cotyledon leaf and popping it in and then firming it round like that. Perfect. I'll give it a little water. It'll be very happy. And that's another wool pot full. The only final thing I would add is get a little container to pop them in so that they can hold one another up.